In the HVAC and plumbing industry, they're representatives of two people, the customer and the service provider. These are their reviews.
Keith, come on in. Have a seat. Yes. Keith, is it true that you were at a customer's house named George Williams?
Maybe I was. Maybe I wasn't. I go to a lot of customer homes.
Well, it says here, Keith was professional, courteous, friendly, and very knowledgeable. He explained everything he looked at and what the problem was, along with the solution. We really like Keith. He did great. Is this true?
Well, yes, it's true. It's all true.
Well, great job, man. That's how we take care of our customers. Good job.
Thank you.